It's gonna be my first car meet ever. I don't even.
Bro?
Yeah, I never went to car meet before. You bought your Glock, bro?
I don't got shit. I got a cop.
Hey yo, what the show they know I'm my mom. If you don't go with me, don't do what I do. They get a one, but he really the two. Better get low when I hear that you're cool.
Hey, bro, what's your name, bro?
Kyler.
Kyler?
IG's BHRKYX.
All right, bad, bro. Hey, that was tough, bro. That was tough. That was tough, bro. Introduce yourself, bro. Who are you, bro?
I'm Marshall.
Big Jiggly Whale in this bitch. What's your name, bro? What's your
Jason.
Jason? Yes, sir.
We got the car meet.
Yeah.
I want to see the quality on this. Dang.
Isn't that like how they be doing it, though? Damn, this tough.
This shit does look fire, man.
Look how, damn. No, that. Huh? Bro, you parked away from everybody, bro. You're supposed to park right here in the middle.
I'm waiting for my boy Chino.
Oh.
Man, I don't got. You can't hear my engine.
Oh my
Park in
God.
the middle, then you can show them the car show.
You can't hear my engine.
What you mean, bro?
That's fire.
That's coming after you, not me. That's what I want.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna get. That 360 camera.
360. I can't fit on my collar.
Yeah, I can.
Oh, it can't. Not like that. That's fire. Yo, with the blue underlay with the car.
The car has a
Sheesh.
Oh, it's a monster truck. I like mine fitted.
Yeah.
Oh look, it's a Toyota.
There's shit from last time. The old man.
We might see Van dude.
This will
Look at that one. Look at that car over there.
I can make this thing do a car show. You see it on my Instagram?
Okay. Nah, I didn't see it.
You didn't see it?
Nah, I didn't see it. I want to be surprised. Let's see what he can do, man.
No, I don't want to steal the show.
Yeah.
I ain't on the black shit.
Yeah.
We're finna do some legal shit later.
What y'all finna do? You ever gonna get like a wall, like different paper? Like,
You mean a rap?
yeah, right.
You said a wall?
I was about to say wallpaper.
I thought that shit was freaking fruity.
Yeah, look at that dog.
Nice.
Oh, that's the.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
Oh, you good, bro?
I was just looking. That's an S2000.
Damn, right here.
Damn. gonna do something like this?
Sign my car.
Oh, that's tough. Yeah, I mess with this car right here.
Which one?
I like both of these right here.
They can't park.
Huh?
Nice Nissan. That's my engine.
That's his engine right here. You know what they say, bro? Once you get a girlfriend, you get chubby, bro.
Is that why you haven't one?
Hell no, I don't need a girlfriend.
Explain why you can't fit in the back seat.
Bro, I could. What are you talking
Explain
about?
why you was sweating back there.
What? Damn. All right, rev the engine.
What do you think that Corvette has? A V6?
Hey, go around this truck and start. Go around this truck and start filming it. Say you want.
Is he pulling out?
Okay, now we do got
Oh.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Dripped out.
Bro, where you going, bro? I got things to do, bro.
What's his name then?
Know what I'm saying? What you mean?
Huh?
Yeah, you acting like you don't sneak out the house to come talk to your boyfriend.
That's his name's Thor.
Bro, got the shiesty on?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here, bro. It's time to get out of here, bro. They thinking about doing something crazy. They finna pull out a gun and start.
Shiesty and it's 100 degrees out. It's crazy.
And he got the Black Forces too. Look.
Should we do a light show?
Yeah, I actually never seen one
You
before.
want to do a light show, Thor?
Yeah, bro. Let's do it, bro.
I've never seen this before either.
Damn.
Okay. First time doing the light show.
1 minute. Should I go outside? Man, he got the Avengers music up in there. You hear that?
Throw 20s when you got bags. Because it sits nice.
Yeah, the homie, he got some big ass 20s on his shit. He live out here, but that nigga got some fat ass 20s, and he lower than this.
No, mine's not like compared to like,
The homie, nowhere, bro. West Coast Wednesdays. That's what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
no, it's not West Coast Wednesday.
No, it used to be called West Coast Wednesdays.
It's on Blue Diamond?
Yeah, it used to be called West
Or
Coast
where
Wednesdays.
In-N-Out is? You know what
Yeah, it
I'm
used to be
talking
called, you talking about it was right there, in and out to the same parking lot, and everybody
Yeah.
parked in front of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called, it used to be called West Coast Wednesdays.
Shit.
When my car crew was like real popping, it used to be called West Coast Wednesdays. Yeah. So,
Yeah, I did not know.
yeah, my car was, y'all probably see me up there. My car was camo before that. It was like half Tesla camo. Like my Tesla was half camo. I reposted, but it was half camo, right? My shit was hard, though. Hell no, I live North Las Vegas. I be on the freeway flying, doing a fucking buck 40. I got to stop by the cops plenty of times. That's why I don't be outside.
You have a performance or?
No, I got long range. My shit is quick as a performance, though. It's damn near. My shit off the line 3 seconds. Damn.
Mine was like 4. You know, like
And then it's boosted, so it's like I think it's like 2.8 or some shit like that. It's boosted, so it's like 2 point something.
I'll be right behind him.
Yeah, he'll be right behind me though for sure.
Like 5-6 cars away.
Shit, they trying to get this.
God damn. Oh, that's tough. Nah, that's tough.
Because the homie got his, my homie build, bro. He got the same model as me, bro. But his shit about to be wild.
All right, y'all.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, be safe.
You go, man.
Police out here.
It's gonna be your first post on YouTube.
Yeah. I never really posted on it before.
I'm trying to do it.
What are you guys drinking?
Oh, if you
Play
guys.
some games.
You gonna play?
Yeah.
sir.
We're gonna wait for our phone here.
Oh yeah. Can I see a Sprite?
Sprite?
Yeah, appreciate it.
Damn, look at this, bro.
Yo, that's just fire.
Yes, sir.
Free drink?
Damn, look, you opened up all our buttons, bro. Damn, you paid $100? You paid $100?
Stop playing.
Why does it say paid 100?
Click on something.
Oh, I got 0 credits.
Oh, yeah, nah.
Damn, I'm about to say, bro. Whose water is this one?
That's Marshall.
It's mine now.
No.
Where do I pay? Like, if I ask for a drink?
I think it's free.
Is it free? No way.
You don't know?
Bro, you the oldest over here, bro. You the OG over here, bro. Yeah, I remember my grandma used to play that game. And I used to play it too because it was the only game on her phone. But I never used real money though. Maybe we gotta do a quick prayer. You wanna do a quick prayer, man?
When?
Man, that was a quick prayer. That was.
You're on 120.
Damn.
Hey, you tough.
Hey, I had it on chill mode.
That shit was fire.
I was on chill mode. Yeah. Hey, is that stock?
What does that mean?
Dang.
Ain't no
Is that a V8?
Of course it is.
I don't know. I'm not a car guy, so that's fire. Oh shit.
Hey, this is a standard range plus.
Yo.
Hey, good shit, man. Hey, you got an Instagram? Oh shit. You probably got a lady then, huh? You probably got a lady then, huh? If you can't have an Instagram, you probably got a wife. Oh yeah. See, that's why. If I had a performance, he's done. I'm telling you. Man, I'm telling you, bro. I should have just fucking got the